the rainy day. Before we start, subscribe our channel for more moral stories. One day, Tom quickly ran under a roof to escape the heavy rain. As he looked outside, he saw Lily standing in the rain, completely soaked. Tom shouted, "Lily, come here. You'll get sick." But Lily didn't move. Rain kept pouring. Tom asked again, "Why are you just standing there?" Lily gently pointed down. A tiny puppy was shaking in the rain. She was protecting it. Tom slowly removed his jacket and covered the puppy. Lily smiled. Moral of this story is, compassion makes the world better.